Do you want a better autonomous vehicle experience? Well, you most definitely need to have these new car tech innovations such as LiDAR. RoboSense is the leading company when it comes to LiDAR technology in automobiles. With the help of built-in sensors and software, they transform 3D LiDAR sensors into full data analysis, ensuring your journey is much smoother and safer. This new updated LiDAR technology is much more advanced and efficient than their previous versions, weighing 50% less, and power consumption is down by another 33% as well. LiDAR technology provides a 360-degree view, and their integration into Xpeng cars makes the driving experience unique and cost-effective. Moving on, we have some amazing car extensions and tools to take your vehicle to the next level. This Canadian company, Magna, has developed a brilliant solution to ensure your electric car runs a few additional kilometers on a charge. With the help of advanced aerodynamics, they offer to help vehicles go faster and further for less. They come with a few car body parts such as grille shutters and air deflectors. Air deflectors are devices that extend from the front or rear of the vehicle to redirect the airflow under or over the vehicle. They also include morphing surfaces that change shape and move dynamically to improve aerodynamics. They also contain front wheel deflectors that extend from the front wheel wells to block or allow air to flow through the wheels. Would you like to get active aerodynamics for your electric vehicle? Next up, we have something that will excite the music lovers out there, especially those who love listening in their cars. The BOSE Personal is an advanced sound system that's been engineered to perfection for car music lovers. Available for small cars like the Nissan Juke, this system uses 8 speakers, including 2 UltraNearfield speakers in the headrests, to create a personalized and immersive sound experience for the driver and passengers. The system allows users to adjust the soundstage from narrow to wide depending on their preference. The sound quality is exceptional, and if you want to rock and roll in your car, you should definitely get this amazing installation done. Next up, we have a unique car lifting system coming up that eliminates the need for manual jacks. The Lock and Level Twin Axle helps you level and secure your twin axle caravan quickly and easily. The axle consists of 2 inflatable airbags that fit between the wheels of your caravan. All you need is a standard tire pump, and you can elevate your caravan up to 6 inches. The twin axle is suitable for all types of surfaces and is unaffected by installing motor movers. It can also be used as a jack to change any wheel on a twin axle caravan in case of a puncture. This portable device can make your caravan setup easier, comfortable, and faster. The price of a twin axle combo pack is around $450. Our next invention will make your dream come true of owning a convertible at a much lower price. Also known as the convertible for the poor, the sliding rag tops can give you the feeling of driving a convertible without having to remove the entire roof of your car. They can also improve the ventilation and lighting of your car interior and enhance its appearance and style. You can just open and close the rag tops by sliding the fabric over the metal frame. They come in all different sizes, and some of the sliding rag tops come in universal sizes as well, meaning they can fit any model and size. You can get a rag top for your car today and make your vehicle stand out among the rest. Our next innovation will ensure you enjoy a serene and quiet atmosphere in the car no matter what happens outside. An Israeli tech company, Silentium, joined hands with the car company Hyundai to develop the first active noise cancellation system in cars. Uses Silentium's active road noise cancellation technology to reduce unwanted road noise inside Hyundai vehicles and create a more pleasant and comfortable driving experience. The system achieves this by using 6 accelerometers on the vehicle chassis that send a signal to play an equivalent anti-noise signal through the car's speaker. This way, the pressure waves from both the road noise and the anti-noise cancel each other out. This new innovation reduces car noise by 5 to 10 decibels, ensuring a much more pleasant atmosphere inside. Moving on, another interesting innovation is coming up that adds tracks to your cars. This company, Rubitrax, produces track systems that can replace the wheels of your cars, allowing you to drive on different types of terrain, such as snow, mud, sand, or rocks. They offer 2 track systems, Rubitrax and Rubitrax HD, which are available in lengths of 122 and 142 centimeters. They're suitable for all seasons and all types of terrain. These tracks are said to improve the stability and performance of your vehicle in challenging conditions. The company also offers free shipping to your nearest freight terminal, a 1-year limited warranty, and various payment options. Getting back to cars, it's time to showcase an amazing electric vehicle concept that was so near to perfection. We all get excited when a new concept car is introduced, and we just can't wait for its release. A similar thing happened when the former Nissan and BMW employees got together and developed the Byte & K-Byte, an electric battery-powered sedan concept car that was publicly unveiled in 2018 at a motor show, but the car was never completed due to the bankruptcy of the company Byte. The car was designed to be a compact executive car with a 4-door sedan body style and a dual-motor all-wheel drive layout. It was powered by 2 permanent magnet synchronous motors producing a total power of 402 horsepower. It also had 4 LiDAR systems installed and had a very aesthetic body. Moving away from fancy EVs, we now have a useful product for the trucks and buses roaming around. This effective tool will drastically reduce the accidents caused by buses and trucks. Developed by the company Stone Ridge, MirrorEye is a camera monitor system that replaces the conventional mirrors on commercial trucks with integrated external digital cameras and digital monitors inside the cab of a truck. The system eliminates driver blind spots, provides a greater field of view, and improves safety for everyone on the road. The MirrorEye consists of 2 HD cameras mounted on the side of a vehicle, replacing the exterior mirrors. The driver can easily view the footage via 2 12.3-inch monitors with HD display, and can even opt for split screen. Moreover, you can connect up to 8 HD cameras with up to 6 simultaneous views. We're now down to the top 5 car inventions that will have you in awe, so make sure to watch till the end, as we've saved the best for the very last. Our next advancement comes in the form of a new car seat technology. This luxury car seat designed by the Canadian company Magna has a zero-gravity mechanism that allows the user to rest, relax, and recharge within their vehicle. The seat has a scalable architecture design that enables maximum support and a luxurious customer experience. The seat and leg rest move seamlessly to read and sleep positions with infinite micro adjustments, ensuring you can relax while you're out in your car. The seat's available in different colors and can be customized according to the user's preferences. The next supercar on our list looks like it's straight out of a superhero movie. Ramsmobile Proto's RMX2 is the name of luxury and toughness. This off-road vehicle is a multi-purpose hypercar that offers supercar performance, go-anywhere all-terrain capability, unmatched luxury, and even Kevlar-reinforced armoring. Its body's made of a carbon composite featuring titanium components. It comes in 3 different versions: gas, diesel, and electric. The RMX2 Protos is available in 4 variants: Ascetic, Devil, God, and Ramsider. However, the most astounding feature might be its tracks, which allow it to surpass slopes as steep as 63 degrees. Coming down to the top 3 innovations on our list today, we still have an amazing suspension system coming up. To address air pollution, this air purifier was developed by a Swiss company called IQ Air. This compact air purifier can be placed in your car and will filter out ultrafine particles, allergens, bacteria, and viruses. This cleaner uses IQ Air's patented hyper-HEPA filtration technology to filter 99% of particles down to 0.003 microns, as small as the smallest virus. The Atom Desk Personal Air Purifier is ultra-quiet and powerful with reduced sound transmission. This purifier is available in different colors and can be customized according to your preference. It comes at a price of $399. You might want to get an electric car, but at the same time, you just can't leave your favorite car. Well, we have a solution to this problem too. This company, EV West, offers conversion kits that will convert your car into an EV by replacing your internal combustion engines with electric engines. They offer conversions for a number of car models, such as the Porsche 914, Porsche 911, and plenty of Volkswagen cars. The entire kit includes a 120-volt motor, an inverter, a throttle, an instrument, and a chill plate. If you want to convert your Porsche 911 to an electric car, you'll need to spend $12,000, including a 130 horsepower engine. Coming down to number 1 on our list today, we have these amazing suspension systems. Talking about electric vehicles, how can we forget the icon Tesla? This company offers a luxurious air suspension system designed for the Tesla Model 3. The system provides a smooth and comfortable ride experience with superior handling. It's designed to be easy to use and customizable according to the user's preferences. The users can select from 4 different height levels according to their preference just by their phone. The benefits of air suspension systems include improved ride quality, better handling, and increased load carrying capacity. The company also provides a 2-year or 50,000 kilometer warranty for their suspension.